In this video, I'll show you how to use the brainstorming buddy on YouTube Studio. So it's a new feature which has been introduced on YouTube Studio. With this, you'll be able to use Google Gemini to generate content ideas. You should also see it in the notification section of your YouTube Studio with Meet Your New Brainstorming Buddy. Click on Get Started, and this will take you to Brainstorming Buddy. You can also get here when you click on Content and then click on Inspiration. This is still the same as Inspiration under the Content tab, just integrated with Google Gemini. So based on the kind of content you create on your channel, you see suggestions and the interest level. Now there's no option for you to filter based on content interest level. You can simply click on the three dots and choose if it's helpful for further suggestions relating to those topics. So the ultimate Google account security checklist and a description for that, as well as the interest level with a thumbnail. If you like any suggestion which has been generated, you can simply click on the suggestion and you get the title, description, outline of the content, and many more. You can click on show more under outline and it will show you all the sections where you'll be able to use Google Gemini to edit. So you get everything under the outline from the introduction all the way to the conclusion of the video. You can also use the brainstorm to brainstorm or make modification to each section of the outline or even expand the outline. Since this doesn't allow you to manually edit what has been written in a section, you can go back out of a section if you want to change the title and then scroll all the way to the bottom or enter in this section the title you would like to explore. You'll also see suggested titles in this section. You can click on see more under titles and you'll be able to copy titles in this section and paste it in this section to use. Or you can also see more under inspiration. If you're looking to explore your own ideas, in the Let's Brainstorm section under Inspiration, come to this section and enter a description. You have up to about 500 characters that you can write. Simply enter a topic description in this section. And you want to also keep in mind that AI generated content varies in quality and may be inaccurate or inappropriate. Use discretion before you create or use anything provided. So simply click on Create Ideas and new ideas will be created for you. Click on the option which interests you. You can proceed to click on see more on each section and choose the section you want to edit and then enter in this section a description, or you can also choose from the need more inspiration section and then simply click on update section and the section will be updated. Once you're done with a project, click on save and your inspiration will be saved for creating a video project. To view your saved project, simply come back under content. Under content, you want to click on inspiration and then click on saved ideas. Here you see all your saved ideas. You can click on it and make changes however you want. If you want to download thumbnail for any of your projects, simply scroll all the way to the bottom and click on show more. And here when you hover over any thumbnail that has been generated for that project, you can click on the download button and the thumbnail will be saved to your device. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.